In order to crochet over the packing cord, you will need to pick up thread number 10 that is recommended in my video tutorials. In Materials for Working page, you can find there all information about the thread. And what you will need to pick up thread just for practice, small piece, and fold it in half. Fold it in half. Then pick up thread that you will crochet with. The thread that we crochet with is called working thread, the one that you work with to crochet motif. Short tail of the thread or working thread align together with your packing cord. And now you're ready to crochet. So this is the way I hold the thread that I use for packing cord and the thread that I will crochet with, holding it this way. There are no rules how to hold it really, but this is the way I do this. I hold my thread holding with 2 fingers, the working thread always wrapped around the pinky for the tension, and with middle finger and thumb I hold my thread or work, and my index finger is just like this, a little bit up. Also help me with tension. This is the way I learned, and you will learn how to make it on your own, finding your holding technique. To start, insert the hook into the loop that is formed by packing cord. Insert the hook inside that loop and pick up thread. Pick up thread and pull it through the loop. Make a first stitch. First stitch will be your slip stitch. And then we will crochet over the packing cord, and this time we will crochet with single crochet stitches. I hold my stitch on the hook with the middle finger of my right hand so that it will not unravel or will not get loose. Then hook goes under the packing cord, bring it up, grab the thread and pull this thread through or from under the packing cord to the top. You will have 2 stitches on a hook, grab the thread again and crochet single crochet stitch like this. I'm showing this one more time. So hook goes under the packing cord, grab the thread and pull the thread up over the packing cord. Grab the thread, crochet 2 stitches together. I will do it a few more times so that you can see how to do this. The very first few stitches will be a little bit difficult to crochet because the short tail right here, this one, is kind of jumping all the time into your hands. But I managed to hold it between my pinky and a ring finger of the right hand like this, so that it will not be on the way. But this is the way I used to crochet, and this is not something I recommend. It's just easy for me, and probably you will find your own way of holding and taking care of this small area right here to make it easier for you to crochet. So crochet single crochet stitches, practice with them. You can also crochet have double crochet stitches and double crochet stitches, which you will do a lot. For half double crochet stitch, you make yarn over, hook under the cord, bring thread up and crochet 3 stitches on a hook. Yarn over, hook under the cord, bring thread up over the backing cord, crochet, half double crochet. The same with double crochet stitches. Yarn over, hook under the cord, bring thread above or up over the cord, crochet first 2 stitches, then crochet the rest 2 stitches, and continue this way for as long as you need to practice. Now I will finish with half double crochet, again with half double crochet, one more time, and continue my row with single crochet stitches. One more tip for you to remember: every time you crochet over the packing cord, you have to make sure that along all those stitches that are on a packing cord, you will not see your packing cord at all. You have to make sure that all your stitches are tight here. And you can see, you cannot see packing cord in my work. If you happen to see it, what you can do, hold in your last stitches. First of all, always pull on the last stitch a lot so that you will not lose it. So hold in your last stitches, you pick up packing cord strand by strand. You have 2 strands, and at the beginning of your work you will have this right here, this thread. So you also pull on it. And strand by strand, pull a little bit, not much. Pull on the packing cord so that your work won't be lousy and will not be loose. You need it uniform and tight. And when you go across the stitches with your hand, right hand, you will feel how they're moving on a cord. Don't pull them a lot. You still have to have some kind of length here. So this is how it looks like, the first row of stitches over the packing cord.